One day I have came to that your website, ma'am. There I have seen the strategy which was breakdown in a very easy manner. That macroeconomics with topic wise and PYQ wise you have typed in a very easy manner, ma'am, like a cakewalk. Really, I didn't think that it will be so easy to crack the UGC NET this easy.
All right, everyone. So, welcome, Pravallika, and many congratulations on cracking the UGC NET. So, Pravallika, tell us something about yourself first. First, tell us your background. Where are you from? What have you done till now?
Ma'am, I'm from Hyderabad, ma'am. I have graduated EC in B.Tech, ECE. Then in distance mode, I have completed my MA Economics.
Wow. And so, how did you switch to economics?
Because I am interested in all government jobs, competitive exams like regulatory bodies, all central type exams, ma'am. So after graduation, I am preparing for that, ma'am. So to cover the gap, plan B, I am doing the MA Economics in distance mode, ma'am.
Okay.
So
Wow.
it will be helpful to cover the gap.
Yeah.
Because competitive exams have more uncertainty.
Wow. So, where did you do your MA economics from?
Usmania University, ma'am.
Usmania University. Okay.
In distance mode.
And so, when did you think that you want to, give UGC NET? Let's try for this.
Actually, I don't know about UGC NET, ma'am. I came to know about UGC NET through my father. He's also in same profession. So he said, why can't you try this? You are trying to competitive exams. It will be, but it become late, no? So he said, try this also. You'll made it.
Which month did you decide that you want to sit for the UGC NET June exam?
Ma'am, last June 2024, ma'am.
Okay, so 2024 June, you thought that I want to give. So did you give the December 2024 attempt also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I got PhD category, ma'am, on
Okay.
that time. I don't have any knowledge about the economic subject. I know only Indian economy and macroeconomics. As we know that competitive exams have only that two subjects are more important.
Right.
Then I came to know about the core subjects like micro and stats. I didn't see this perspective of economics. First time I'm seeing. So it's difficult to understand, ma'am. So I tried December attempt. First June 2024 attempt, I have attempted like just, okay, we can attempt. Just I have attempted like that. Then in December 2024, I have tried a little bit. Then I came to understand that we have to take coaching so that we can easily crack the exam. Then one day I have came to that your website, ma'am. There I have seen the strategy which was breakdown in a very easy manner. That macroeconomics with topic wise and PYQ wise you have typed in a very easy manner, ma'am, like a cakewalk. Really, I didn't think that it will be so easy to crack the UGC NET this easy. I thought that, ma'am. Then before a month only, I have seen your website, ma'am. It's difficult to take. I'm in very confused stage. I take now, then it will become okay. It will become a waste or not. I don't know. My father has encouraged me to take the coaching, ma'am. Then I have taken this step, and this is not a wrong step.
Okay, so you finally joined us only 1 month before the UGC NET exam.
Yes, ma'am. In the month of May end, ma'am. May 25th, around May 25th.
Yeah, you joined us like right towards the end. So then in a very short span, and not even 1 full month, you got with the material. So how did you
Yes,
then
ma'am.
in 1 month? How did you prepare so fast, and that you were able to crack the NET exam?
First of all, I have seen all the PDF materials. I downloaded all that and make a print of that, ma'am. And I have gone through all the printed material.
Okay.
So it is very easy to understand. I got it from scratch, ma'am. I don't know about the core subjects like micro and the mathematical economics like stats. Example, OLS estimators. It is very core subject, ma'am.
Yes.
So I started and I have gone through all the material. Then and your revision material also, it is very helpful in the last minute, ma'am. I have seen your microeconomics, the tabular form of revision, ma'am. It is very it is very helpful in the last minute of exam, ma'am.
Oh,
And
wow.
Sankit sir microeconomics, which is helpful. That PPT I have seen YouTube live, ma'am. In that I have seen all the PPT micro. It is very easy, like a single word. You can understand the whole theme. And Anushka ma'am's stats is also very easy, ma'am. I have to give a takeaways of this all. Thank you, ma'am, for that all.
That is so good. So, did you get time to watch all the videos also?
No, ma'am. Only particular topics, like very difficult topics, I have seen, ma'am.
Okay.
So it's PDF material helped me a lot, ma'am.
So you downloaded the PDF material and you started reading through it.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
then did you do all the PYQs?
Mostly, ma'am, not all the PYQs. Last to 4 to 5 years.
Last 4 to
And
5.
that PYQ breakdown is also very easy way, ma'am. I have never seen like that. I have seen other websites also, ma'am, but I have never seen this type of breakdown of topics into very easy manner.
About your experience, that how you did not know, you hadn't studied economics, you didn't know things,
Yes, ma'am.
and in 1 month still, because of all the teachers' efforts, you were able to understand everything. So that was very encouraging for all the teachers also to know, to hear about your background. So now what's the plan after this?
Next attempt, ma'am. I wish I could crack JRF.
And now you want to sit for JRF again?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to do a PhD now?
It is a yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yes, so now if you give a little more time, hopefully now you'll be able to do JRF also, because very less time you had.
I wish, ma'am. If I know 2 months before, I wish I can get JRF now.
What else? Did you do all the mocks also? Did you get time to do the mock tests?
Ma'am, I have done 4 mocks.
Okay.
Okay. And it is helpful, ma'am. But okay, ma'am. Than material, I have more helpful is material only, ma'am. And revision notes, last minute, that revision notes also helped me a lot, ma'am.
It's a very big achievement, from
Yes,
not
ma'am.
knowing to cracking the exam. So you have 96 some percentile, right?
Yes, ma'am. 158 marks I got.
Yes. So you are better than 96% of the students. You have a 96 percentile in just 1 month of preparation. That is a very big achievement, actually.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Pravallika. Thank you and many, many congratulations. And
Thank you very much,
so after this, now you're eligible for teaching at. So I'm saying you followed your footsteps into your father's profession. So that is very
Yes,
nice.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Pravallika. Thank you so much for doing this. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for whole team, ma'am. Whole team also they cleared doubts and they have followed up everything what I want. Thank you for EduSure and faculty team, ma'am. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.